everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to activate your Best Buy gift card online. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. The first thing to do is to launch open a web browser of your choice and go to the URL box and type in bestbuy.com, which is the official URL for Best Buy. Once you end up in the official website for Best Buy, you will need to either create an account if you don't have one already, or log into your existing account. Go to the account tab at the top right and click on it, and click on the sign in button if you already have an account for yourself. Once you're logged into your Best Buy account, from the main homepage, find the items you want to purchase. You can browse by the categories at the top or search for a specific product by typing it in the search box. Once you find the product you'd like to purchase, click on Add to Cart on the right hand corner. Once you've added the product to your shopping cart, you can proceed to the checkout by clicking Open Your Cart. Review your product quantities and any other preferences you'd like to change to and click on Checkout to proceed with the checkout. Now, select your pickup or delivery options and fill in any other information asked to you on this page. Finally, after everything's done, click on Continue to Payment Information. And in the payment information option, you will need to go ahead and add your payment information. You can add a credit or a debit card number and proceed with the payment by entering your billing address. Or if you want to redeem your gift card with the product, you can click on the Use a Best Buy gift card, store credit or discount code link at the bottom. Once you give it a click, it'll bring up this text box where you can enter your Best Buy gift card number. Type in the 16-digit gift card number in the first box and enter your PIN code in the second box if available. After you are done with the correct information, click on the Apply button, and this will add the gift card balance to your available payment method. If the gift card covers the entire cost of your purchase, simply click on Place Order. If you have additional payment methods to use, you can select them now and click on Place Order. So that is how you will be able to redeem or activate your Best Buy gift card in a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.